this. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009 plate. It's a Type S, Type R, whatever it is, but it is a Honda Civic. I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on this, but before I do that, we're going to see which one it is. The lights on, please. Now if you can see this one here, that one's working. It's the outer bulb, which is the main dead beam bulb, and this one here isn't working. Lights off, please. Just going to show you to do it. Now on this one, you have got enough space in there as well, so all you got to do is remove the cover and twist it to your left, take the cover out, and the light bulb is inside. Once you know how to do the passenger driver side one, you'll know how to do the passenger side one as well. Now if we get to the driver side, it's this cover here we need to remove. So if I twist that to my left, take the cover out, that's the cover out. Right, you got to remember, you got a seal on the inside here, so make sure that's all intact. If the seal is missing, get one for it if possible, and then put this back on. But the bulb you need is a H7 bulb. You can check it out in the description. I'll have a link in there as well for you where to get it from. That's not a problem. Now to do it, all you got to do first is unplug it. So if I take the plug out, make sure wiggle, and then take it out. That's a bit tight. That's it, it's out. So it's a 2-pin plug, so that means it's a H7 bulb. On top here, it's a spring. I'll push the spring in to my right and drop the spring down. Then I've got the bulb. Now the bulb would only fit one way. You can see the pin locator on the bulb. H7 bulb would always have a pin locator, so it goes on the top. Take this out. Got a new one. And always remember to hold the bulb from the back, not from the lens itself. So you will damage the bulb. The life of the bulb would reduce. So if I get the new one in there, so once that's in, get the spring. Make sure you don't damage the spring. Whatever you do, don't let it come out of these little holes here. I then plug it in. I then put the cover back on. Once I've got the cover on, we'll just check, see, make sure it's working. Right. You can come round, let's have a look. Now could you switch the lights on for me, please? As you can see now, this one's working, that one's working, both are working now. That's what you got to do on this particular, on this Civic. And if there is anything else you need to know, do check out a playlist for Hondas. And we've got a playlist for bulbs as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you and goodbye.